Well, it's me again. Just gonna show you another glitch in here in Stormwind on my 52 Druid here. Yeah, I'm just kind of bored, so I thought I'd make another video. So, yeah, just watch. Show you the easy way how to get under Stormwind. Boxes, torch, jump, underneath here. If you jump, right here, you will go to the mage quarter. You'll go into that little room with the two portals there. But I'm not going to go there. I'm going to show you how to get on top of the docks in Stormwind. Well, fuck, where are the docks? Oh, right here. I get on top of this thing here, I guess. So, we'll do that. And also, if you know how to get behind the portals of Stormwind, I would really like to hear about it, because the wall that you're supposed to jump at to get behind it is now gone. Therefore, you can't get behind the portal. And I knew a couple of other ways I used to do it, but they patched that too. So if you found another way, please tell me, and I will post a video doing it about it. Thank you. Anyways, to do this, you need slow fall, or I prefer the noggin fogger elixirs, seeing as how I'm a druid right now. So yeah, you can just use those and get on your way. Alright, here, oh sweet, I got it right away. See, that works. Now just mount up. Don't even think you have to mount up. You can probably do it like a level 1 or something if you get a slow fall kind of thing. And yeah, here you are. Sorry, just some guy that was trying to do this glitch. Well, just jump, and if you are here, there's a couple of cool things you can do here. You can on these things, I guess, but you are where I'm not even on this thing, but whatever, right? So, yeah, I'm here. Jump on these things, whatever. Well, that's all for today.